Hey y'all, it's your girl ShuntelRenay, and I'm here with another video. Okay, I am going to do my most requested request, which is my lip combo, which kind of gives a good 90s vibe and things like that. It is not something that I forced myself to do. It is just a part of my style when it comes to me doing my makeup, and I'm so excited to be on this journey with you all as you all are on with me. I promised myself that I would be more consistent this year with creating videos and content and things like that when it comes to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, welcome. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like, share. And if you are returning, welcome back. All right. So I'm going to get right to it. Here I have 4 items in my hand that I will be using, okay, to achieve the beautiful lip liner look I go for. Okay, so I have this Lancome lipstick. I'm going to link all the links. I'm going to link all the links down below. Okay, this is shade 112. It's the Cream de Marron. Okay, just 112 peaches and cream. Okay, and then I have an eyeliner by MAC Cosmetics, and this is the shade Feline. Right, and I'm going to use it as a lip liner. And then I have one of the most popular lip liners by MAC Cosmetics is the Chestnut lip liner. And then I have this Color Fix cream by Danessa Myricks. Yes, you can find this at Sephora. All right, so the shade that I have here is Gold Mine. Not Gold Mind, but Gold Mine. I am a gold girl. Okay, when it comes to jewelry and all that good stuff, I'm a gold girl. So this right here can be used on your lips. It can be used on your eyelid, highlighter, you name it. Okay, so what I'm going to go with in first is the black. Oh, no. I'm going to go in. Sometimes I just be all over the place. Okay, I'm going to go in with the chestnut first. Okay, so I'm gonna, I don't do all the over. I don't do all of that. So I'm going to go in. Lip liner. Okay. Okay, so I have that on here. And I have a brush. This is by Sephora lip brush. It's $85. I'm gonna link everything down below. So, and I like to just kind of like blend it. Sometimes, you know, this is like my go-to as well when I'm just adding lip gloss. I don't know. I just been into the black lip liner lately, like good nostalgia. Am I saying that right? Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I have that going on, and then I go in with my black lip liner. I kind of be a little light-handed sometimes, and I be heavy-handed. It depends on what I'm feeling, but I just make it work. And a lot of you ask me, how did I learn how to do makeup? I actually had a lot of trial and error. YouTube, I learned on YouTube, and I also just learned how to do my makeup over time. I used to do burlesque dancing back in college, and I had to wear makeup. So one of the girls, I used to always try to copy her, who was on the team. Her makeup was always so beautiful, and shout out to her. So I'm just kind of going in. I'm outlining my lip, okay, because I love my lips. It's so funny because when I was a child, I did not like my lips, y'all. I used to be picked on back in middle school. But now, you can't tell me nothing. So, as y'all can see, I outline my lip. Oops. Okay, so as you can see, kind of got it going on. So, And then I just kind of like blend it. Sometimes I don't do this. I may just rub it together, but I don't know. It just depends on how I'm feeling. But this brush does come in handy for sure. I like this ombre look, so I like to blend it. Sometimes I don't do chestnut first because it's not needed. It's a choice. But it just, I don't know. It just makes it. It depends. It depends. My allergies are bothering me. I just kind of want to sneeze, but then again, I don't want to come out. So, okay. So far, I got that going on. All right. So I'm about to go in with my Lancome. This is the shade. Is it gonna focus? There we go. It's really cool, like, you know, this is what it looks like. So freaking beautiful. Okay, this is so beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go in. Like, it's beautiful by itself, but I let go, so that's it so far. And then I'm gonna go in with my Color Fix Cream by Danessa Myricks. You can find this at Sephora. The shade, as I mentioned earlier, is Gold Mine. Is it gonna focus? I'm gonna link it below, okay? So I have that going on. Everything is kind of like coming together, right? And then I'm gonna go in. I can use my finger. I'm gonna use my finger. Okay, you can use your finger, you can use the brush, whatever you prefer. And you only need a little bit, okay? You only need a little bit, because a little goes a long way. And then I just kind of like, and then that's pretty much it. If you need more, you can add more to it, like I just did. So simple. And then I'm gonna kind of wipe this off a little bit. So beautiful. Look at that little glitter. So after I've done that, I may go back in with chestnut or no, the black lip liner and just kind of like blend it together, you know? I just freaking love it. I kind of been on this thing of not wearing eyelashes lately, and I'm loving it. Cause sometimes I just want to give my lashes a break, because my natural lashes are pretty long and stuff. So this is pretty much it. I can tone it down a little bit if you can tone it down if you want to, but this is pretty much what I have going on. And sometimes if you want the gold to pop some more, you can add a little bit more to kind of like make it pop more, so it won't be too much black over your lip. But I get so many compliments on my lip. I'm like, okay, let this be the first makeup tutorial video that I create. Although it's not a whole tutorial, or you know what I mean? So let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure I rate my lips down below as well. And also let me know what you want to see next. Thank you for watching and tuning in. So much in store. I love y'all. Have a blessed day. Mwah.